Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am very excited to share Sigma Beauty's newest release. This is the Vintage Radiance palette. Beautiful cream and rose gold on the front. The colors and names are on the back. We have a beautiful mirror. Their double-sided brush, which is such a nice value. We've got some beautiful mauves, grays, browns, champagnes. I cannot wait to get into this. Sigma is always having deals on their website. I do also have a discount code. They did not send this to me. I bought this with my own money. I will put up my discount code. They had free stuff that they were offering with my purchase, and I got 3 free brow products. I got a brow pomade, I got a micro brow pencil, and some brow powder. I got all 3 in the shade light. I think I'm gonna play with the powder today. Let's go ahead and get these brows on. Little update on the brow. It is still red, but I am being a good girl and putting my medicine on it every night. Fingers crossed this goes away before my next appointment. There are 2 shades in this powder palette. I'm going to take my Details by Tati ES7 brush, and I'm sure that Sigma has a brush very similar to this. I just don't own it. And I'm going to start just filling in the brows. Very natural, very pretty, very easy. It looks soft and pretty, very pleased. I do already have some of their color correcting duo underneath my eyes. I have the light medium variation. All of Sigma's packaging is beautiful. There is a mirror, there are the creams here. I just put that on before I came in to film. And I'm gonna take the deeper shade and just fix the shape on these brows a little bit. I'll go ahead and finish putting my makeup on. I have my Sigma products in front of me, and then we'll get into the palette. First, I have my Sigma powder bronzer. This is in the shade Dark. This is my Details by Tati ES1. And this bronzer is very pigmented. Of course, I did pick up the variation Dark. It's hard to order online sometimes. I probably could have gotten away with a lighter shade, but I don't mind if it's pigmented. Just remember and use a fluffy brush. Blurring, smooth, long-lasting, again with the gorgeous packaging. And now I have my Sigma F47 and some of their powder blush in the shade Corda Rosa, again with the pigment, so you want to be careful. And this F47 is a multitasking brush, so it can be foundation, cream bronzer, it can be so many different things. I just happen to enjoy it for blush. But so soft and firm. It's a really nice brush. I don't believe that Sigma has any lip liners on their website. They need to work on that. So I just brought in my Moira. This is one of my favorite lip liners. This is the Lip Appeal Waterproof Liner in Bombshell. I'm gonna line my lips and I'll be right back. And next I have their Infinity Point lipstick. Very, very nice. The way that it is designed, it is pointed on the top. This is in the shade Red Velvet. Long wearing, moisturizing, satin finish, and I love the reddish brown color. I totally forgot. They sent me the 3 brow products plus a new eyeshadow primer. I already have, I believe it is Persuade and Bubbly, and now I have Ignite. Persuade is more of a pinky beige, Bubbly has a little bit of sparkle in it, but Ignite seems to be the shade that I see more people use than any other shade. My tip just fell off. I probably had it put up too far and I am rough. So I'm gonna blame myself for that. I'm gonna use the E38 side of this brush that was already in my collection just to blend this in. You can use your finger too. It's got a slightly thicker texture, but still easy to blend. Really cancels out any veins. for discoloration on your lids and truly helps your shadow. I'm gonna have to pull my sleeves up because we need to swatch this palette. Love that the brush matches the packaging. This palette retails for $65. You have a mix of shimmers and mattes. Here we have Alter, Milestone, Beloved, and Woody. Next we have Soulmate, Dusty Rose, and Treasure. That looks like a little bit more of a topper, but I can see the sparkle. Next we have Something Blue, Art Deco, Antique, and Vibes. Last three, we have Lovingly, ooh, really pretty, Bubbly, that's Buttercream, and this is Bubbly. I'll be doing one eye look for you today, but trust me, I cannot wait to play in this palette and get more looks for you. So make sure you're subscribed. I'm gonna do a halo eye, and I will start with Beloved right here. It is so convenient when you have a mirror in the palette. And I'm so grateful that Sigma has given us a big palette to play with, because I feel like I haven't had a big palette. I've only had like 6 pans, 4 pans to play with lately. So this eyeshadow lover is very happy. This Beloved is gorgeous. I love the tone. I'm just putting this in the crease and gently coming up just to give a little bit of structure to the eye. Brush feels fabulous. And this is the E38 on one side and the E54 on the other. So I'm going to go into the E54 now, and I'll go into this Moody. And we'll be taking this on the outer and inner corners. I'm just sort of pressing and wiggling, laying down that pigment, and then we'll soften the edges. And I'll just lightly go over, take the other side and blend these edges. And do the same thing on the other side. This palette is bridal themed, so I tried to wear my white. I should have had my hair up, but I've had my hair up the last 2 times I filmed. Try to change things up for you. But I got my pearls, my white on. We'll see how long I can stay in this white shirt. I do not wear white well. Looks like I got a little bit of fallout on this side. Now for the center, I was very impressed with this Lovingly shade, so I'm going to be dipping into this one first. And then maybe one of the other ones I'll use as a topper. Just putting that right in the center, and that looks amazing. And then I go a little bit higher. Use a clean finger to blend those edges. I love that. I'll basically repeat the process on the bottom with the Moody on the outer corners and the Lovingly in the center. And I'll use the E54. I'm going to spray that Lovingly, so I worry about shimmers underneath my eye falling down. So this will help it adhere a little bit more. I am loving that, but I think I'll take a little bit of this Treasure and go right on top of the Lovingly with it and see if it adds a little bit more, because I know that one felt a little more like a topper. Definitely adds a little more reflection. I brought in my black Sigma eyeliner, really nice, just twists up. I'll put it on the outer and inner edges. Right there. I think I'll do a little on the bottom as well. Looking a little more sultry. And I'll take this little liner brush from Beauty For Real. I'm going to take a little bit of that Alter just to blur out the lines of that liner. So Alter would be a nice powder liner option if you liked that. I like to use it to soften. I brought in my Sigma Lash Icon tubing mascara to finish the look. Length, lift, does a really nice job. And then, because it's tubing, it's easy to remove and doesn't smudge or flake. It does dry fast, so if you want to build, go right back in on the same eye with coat number 2. Did a great job. I'll go ahead and add the rest. Be right back. I'm back. I went ahead and finished the mascara and it did a really, really nice job. Length, lift, volume. Guaranteed not to move. Love that. Final thoughts on the products. Really liked the brow powder, soft, fluffy, natural looking. I will keep you posted on the pencil and the pomade. The eyeshadow primer in Ignite was fabulous. Like I said, I blame myself for that tip falling off. Don't screw it up too far. A little bit goes a long way. Really nice shade. And the Vintage Radiance palette. It is stunning. I love the shades in here. I cannot wait to do a more gray look, a more champagne using these browns. We gotta see what this purple's gonna do. So many different looks. Gorgeous quality as expected from Sigma. Added value that you get a double-ended brush. They have discounts, they have bundles. Don't forget my discount code. Sigma, you did a fabulous job. I, of course, will have everything listed and linked in the description box below if you are interested. If you shop with those links, I want to thank you in advance. It does provide me with a small commission that helps support me and my channel. I hope that you found this enjoyable. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload videos on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up and, of course, leave me a comment, even if it's just a heart, to let me know you were here. I thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.